Have you ever felt nervous before an important event? That feeling is called being anxious. It helps us understand our emotions better. Anxious means feeling worried or nervous about something that might happen. It's a common emotion everyone feels sometimes. People often confuse anxious with excited. Both show strong feelings, but anxious is about worry, while excited is about happiness. Common phrases are be anxious about or feel anxious for. You can also say get anxious or look anxious when someone shows worry. She felt anxious before her exam. He is anxious about the job interview. They were anxious waiting for the test results. We get anxious when meeting new people. Tom was anxious on his first day at a new school. He worried about making friends. By the end of the day, he felt better and made some new classmates. Think of the word anxious as X marks a worry or problem in your mind. That X reminds you of feeling nervous or uneasy. Now you know anxious means feeling worried. Try using the word today and share when you feel anxious.